in space. She reached the stars, she found her place. Dream like Louis Armstrong with his horn, playing songs that changed the morn.